So I just got a package in of some clothing items that I ordered, and they are from Everlane. I'm so excited. So I just want to do a little Everlane haul for you all. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but I just wanted to show you some of my new finds and some of the additions to my summer wardrobe that I'm going to be adding, and still being intentional with this. So I'm gonna show you what I got, and I'm gonna try it on for y'all. Start off with are the A-line denim shorts. Everlane is they're more sustainable than a lot of places. Everything in here is recyclable. It comes in a paper bag, and all of this plastic is recyclable. It's not like your traditional package that you'd receive, and I just love that. These are the A-line denim shorts. This is what they look like. Try these on and let you guys know what I think. I love them because they're skinnier in the waist, they flare out at the leg, and they're a little bit longer. So I'm gonna let you know my thoughts after I try them on. Next, I bought two different Air Cami. Got it in the Seagrass and then the Boulevard Gray color. I did get these in extra small, so we'll see how they fit. I have a very short torso, so typically I try to buy smaller sizes in my tops. Like definitely a thinner fabric, and it kind of has that V cut to it. Good length on me, not super long, so I can tuck it into like high-waisted shorts. I'm adding a little bit of color to my wardrobe. I'm adding some gray, some light green for summer, which I actually love. So this is what it looks like. I'll let you guys know what my thoughts are once I try it on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love those. Perform bike short. These I did get in a neutral and a black. I'm not sure. I've tried bike shorts before and I haven't liked them, so I wanted to try these bike shorts from Everlane and see what my final thoughts are. So I will let you guys know, but I'm a big, I like biking, jogging, getting exercise, and I actually don't have any bike shorts, and they're a little bit longer, so I'll let you guys know what my thoughts are. But very stretchy, comfortable, athletic material. This is my first bodysuit as well that I've purchased. It is the Cutaway Tank bodysuit. It has the thicker straps, which I like. It's organic cotton. It has the crew neck, and definitely very stretchy. I got it in the size extra small. So I'll let you guys know my thoughts on the bodysuit. I've never tried a bodysuit before. So again, this is me kind of trying and experimenting with different things. I've just noticed that I've been kind of annoyed with certain shirts not tucking in well with my shorts and looking awkward or like being too baggy. So I'm hoping that this bodysuit works and that I can wear it with like my high-waisted shorts for summer. The utility barrel pants. I got these in a size 0. So I'll let you guys know how they fit. They're a little bit baggier in the leg. They're definitely a structured, thicker fabric. Bigger pockets in front and in back, which I like. They're more like a casual pant. So I'll let you guys know once I try these on what I think. But first impression, they're definitely high quality, and I like they're a little bit baggier. It's a boxy flannel in seafoam green. And I also got this in a size extra small. Again, I'm pretty short, so everything is gonna probably be fairly baggy. This is what it looks like. First impression, it's so soft, and it has the big pockets in the front, big square pockets. I do really like this. I'm gonna probably wear it on top of like my camis that I got with a pair of like shorts. Super cute for a colder night here in Minnesota in the summertime. And finally, I purchased a sports bra. It is the seamless bra in black, and I got it in the extra small size. It's a V-neck in the front, and then it kind of has a square neck in the back, a ribbed texture, which I like. Very stretchy. First impression, it's really soft. It's thicker, which is nice, so I won't have to worry about like nipping out in it if it's cold. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. I'm gonna try these on for y'all and let you know. First impression, this actually is really cute. I like it cuts out on the shoulder a little bit like that, and it fits really well. I was worried about the size, but I think it fits really well. I'm gonna try it on with my shorts actually that I got. I think I probably could have sized down another size because they are a little bit big in the back, but I do actually really like these. They fit pretty well otherwise, like the legs. There's plenty of room in the legs, which I think is cute, and they have the bigger pockets in the back, which I like. Really love the bodysuit with these shorts. The contrast of it's tighter on top, but then these shorts are a little bit looser and baggier on bottom. So I definitely love that feature. They work really well at being wider in the hips, skinny in the waist, and then they flare out in the leg. I have thicker thighs as well, more muscular thighs. So that was why I kind of purchased these. I like the lighter wash. I like that they're longer and more conservative, and I like the big pockets. So my only thing is I probably could have sized down a size. I love these utility barrel pants. I think they're so cute. So they cinch in at the waist, and they're a little bit baggier at the hips with big, like, diagonal pockets. The pockets aren't super big, but it's a thicker, almost denim fabric, and then it has the big pockets in the back. And it hit me right at the ankle. I did get the regular. If you are a little bit taller, I'm 5'3" for reference, you're going to want to get the long length if you're taller, but I just got the regular and they hit right at my ankle. They're thicker. They're definitely more baggy in the leg, which I knew, and I kind of like that. The thing is, this cami, I definitely love the cami. It's a thinner fabric and it's got that v-neck, which I like. If you're a little bit chestier, this may not be the vibe that you want if you want it to be more conservative. For me, I'm not really seeing any cleavage or anything. It is a deeper V, so a little bit loose, and it's like a good length. I can still like tuck it into these pants and it looks cute. And these biker shorts, they're very, very stretchy. They're a little bit longer in length. I do like that they're longer. They're pretty comfy. They fit me really well. So I did get these in a size small. I have thicker thighs, so a lot of times biker shorts don't fit right in the waist, or they don't fit me in the legs. Love this sports bra. It's thicker and it's a rib material. It fits me really, really good. I will say, if you're like going running, this probably isn't going to offer you maximum support. I have smaller boobs, and it's supportive, but like it's not like sucking in. So it's more of just like an everyday sports bra. My Seafoam flannel for you all. This is a very like soft fabric, very, very boxy. See, huge boxy pockets in the front. It's got a little bit of the slit here in the side, which I actually love that. Super pretty. So I definitely love this. It's a great addition if I just want to like throw something on that's gonna be warm but not like sweating where it's gonna like absorb all my sweat. So for like a chillier night, this would be a great jacket flannel to just throw on over top of like a cami or a t-shirt. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. What are brands and clothing stores that you like to shop at? If there's any other sustainable brands you enjoy buying from. But yeah, otherwise it is a beautiful day to simplify. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.